Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be solving a very common issue which Unity users have, which is regarding gravity force. Many a times we follow some tutorial about movement and gravity and end up with a script like this. In this script you can very well see that I have declared some variables and gravity implementation is there, movement, jumping, sprinting and etc. things are there. And this is a looking script in which I have declared also some variables. Through the script my camera moves according to the direction, and if I play the game, first I will tell you about this sample scene. This sample scene I have created very fast in order to shoot this video. Please don't look about the art, and this is a game about parkour and etc. where you have to avoid the gap in that tiles and reach the end. If we play the game, till the actual game loads, you can drink a sip of water without leaving the video, obviously. Now here we are. Now if we press the spacebar, you can see I'm jumping high up and not reaching the ground as fast as I should. And even you can see there is a gap in between two tiles, and now the game's objective is to reach the end, and there are gaps so that you can fall to make the game a little bit harder. But if we see the current situation, if we press the spacebar and the forward button, we jump many tiles. Like this is the start, we completely skip one tile, and that is not what we want. And a little bit more, if we continuously keep on pressing the spacebar. I have literally jumped 2 tiles right now, skipped 2 tiles. So in order to solve this issue, this is very easy to solve. We just need to change the gravity forces from -9.81 to -31.81, something like that. Basically we need to shift to a higher value. And now if we play the game, now if I press my spacebar, it is jumping to that height only, but reaching the ground with more speed here. As you can see, there is the gravity force has been increased, and I cannot skip one entire tile but half of it, but that's okay with us, as there. And even if I press it continuously, then I can skip one tile completely. So this is good. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to take risk in your life and have an exemplary day ahead.